But look at that, what a grand sight. Steep climb away, and if that's not an impressive departure, watch the Airbus now going into a high angle of bank. As I say, not the sort of manoeuvre you do with Granny down the back with a gin and tonic in her hand.
Granny does.
Airbus A380, high capacity airliner, made its first Farnborough appearance in 2008. We're joined in the commentary box by part of the Airbus group. Chris Carroll, now you've been involved in the Airbus A380, I know, for some time.
Yes, for 6 years.
Well, that's how much of his life. I think a lot of design before we saw it unveiled. Originally it was going to be the 3XX, wasn't it?
It was, yes. I've been doing the 380 just as the first one went into service with Singapore.
Now this one is the very first one, isn't it? This is 001.
This is 001, yeah.
So no doubt you were down at Toulouse on the 18th of January 2005.
2000, I think I watched it on the big screen from Filton actually.
Oh, you were down there?
Didn't make it to France for that one.
So what's your involvement with the 380?
These days I look after a team of project managers who help out on the wings, fuselage, wings, landing gear and fuel systems for it, which is all the things that we look after at Filton.
So, are you telling me you put the wings together? Well, endless really. You know, this one is around about over 500 passengers in a 3-class configuration. You can also have it as a VIP kit, so you can have, you know, dining areas, showers, measures, showers, anything you like. Reaching up now, coming past the very speed, high alpha class, this glorious airliner, majestically passing in front of us. As he goes onto the north side of the pitch up, steeply up, at the top, pitch over, drop the gear, and then turn around to land. Now he does know that the next bus from the Airbus group, the A400M, is on the end of the runway, because that's where he's been at this stage of the show all during the week. Now the engines, you can have the Alliance GP 72700, 770, 7270, or the Rolls-Royce Trent. There's different marks of Trent. This is the Rolls-Royce engines. Now we're talking about the Trent 900, these type of aircraft. They can draw in enough air to inflate 72,000 party balloons